Every electrical cable begins with copper, the world's most important conductor. These cathode plates are 99.9% pure copper.
The furnace melts pure copper cathodes at 1183 degrees Celsius, creating a pool of liquid metal ready for continuous casting.
Continuous casting transforms liquid copper into a solid rod without interruption, producing kilometers of copper rod from a single furnace charge.
The cast copper rod emerges at 8 millimeters diameter and hundreds of meters per minute, coiling into bundles that weigh up to 5 tons.
Aluminum conductors reinforced with steel cores carry high-voltage power across vast distances, combining lightweight conductivity with mechanical strength. The breakdown process reduces the cast rod through multiple dies in a continuous operation, each pass making the wire thinner and stronger. Wire drawing dies are precision-engineered from tungsten carbide or synthetic diamond, polished to a mirror finish to produce wire with exact diameter tolerance.
Annealing heats the work-hardened copper to restore its soft, ductile properties, essential for the flexibility required in finished cable products.
Fine wire drawing reduces conductor diameter to its final specification. Some communication cables require copper wire. Coordinates. A single multi-die drawing machine contains up to 24 sequential dies, reducing the wire from 1 millimeter to its final diameter. A single delivery spool may contain over 100 kilometers of fine copper wire, all drawn to a diameter tolerance of plus or minus 1 micron. Laser micrometers measure wire diameter with sub-micron accuracy at full production speed, providing continuous real-time quality assurance. Aluminum conductor is 1/3 the weight of copper for the same current carrying capacity, making it essential for long-distance overhead power transmission lines. Die maintenance is critical. A worn die produces out-of-specification wire. Dies are inspected and repolished after every production run.
Tin plating protects the copper surface from corrosion and dramatically improves the wire's compatibility with solder connections in electrical assemblies.
Silver-plated copper wire maintains conductivity at temperatures where tin would melt, essential for aerospace and military cable applications. Stranding combines individual wires into a composite conductor with superior flexibility, current capacity, and resistance to fatigue from repeated bending. Concentric stranding places each wire layer in the opposite helical direction, creating a mechanically balanced conductor that remains perfectly round and flexible. Bunched conductors sacrifice some compactness for maximum flexibility, used in applications where the cable must withstand continuous movement and repeated flexing. Compaction forces the stranded wires into tighter contact, reducing conductor diameter by up to 10% while maintaining identical electrical performance. ACSR cable combines a high-strength steel core for mechanical support with aluminum conductor layers for current carrying, designed for high-voltage overhead transmission. Silicon conductors divide the conductor into individually insulated segments to minimize skin effect and proximity effect losses at high voltages and currents. Each conductor drum contains thousands of meters of precisely stranded copper or aluminum, representing the electrical core of the finished cable product. Preheating the conductor improves the molecular bond between the metal surface and the extruded insulation, critical for cable performance and longevity. Triple extrusion applies 3 polymer layers in a single pass: the conductor screen, main insulation, and insulation screen, each one critical for cable electrical performance.
Cross-linked polyethylene insulation can withstand operating temperatures up to 90 degrees and voltage stresses exceeding 20 kilovolts per millimeter.
Continuous vulcanization uses superheated steam at 20 atmospheres pressure to cross-link the polyethylene molecules, transforming the soft thermoplasters. The finished insulation surface must be absolutely smooth and free of any voids, protrusions, or contamination. That insulation eccentricity must be within 5% of nominal thickness. Any thin spot could become a failure point at operating voltage over the cable's 30-year design lifetime. Cooling rate is precisely controlled. Too fast cooling creates internal stress that would eventually cause insulation cracking under operating conditions. Cables. Spark testing applies voltage significantly above normal operating level to every centimeter of insulation. Any weak spot produces The extrusion operator monitors dozens of critical parameters simultaneously. Even small deviations from specification require immediate corrective action. Cable laying up combines insulated cores into the final cable configuration, adding fillers and binders to create a round, mechanically stable structure. Steel wire armor protects underground and submarine cables from mechanical damage. 2 counter-helical layers provide crush resistance and longitudinal strength. The outer sheath provides the cable's first defense against moisture, chemicals, UV radiation, and mechanical abrasion throughout its installed lifetime. Cable identification marking is applied continuously during sheathing, providing permanent product identification that survives decades of installed service. Submarine power cables must withstand crushing pressure at ocean depths, saltwater corrosion, and the mechanical stresses of deep-sea installation. A high-voltage cable contains over 7 distinct functional layers, each one contributing essential electrical, mechanical, or environmental protection.
The metallic screen serves as the electrical earth path and shields the environment from the cable's electromagnetic field.
High-voltage testing proves the cable can safely withstand voltage stresses far exceeding its normal operating conditions throughout its design lifetime.
Partial discharge testing detects insulation defects too small to cause immediate failure but which would grow over decades of service, eventually causing cable breakdown.
Conductor resistance directly determines the cable's current carrying capacity and energy losses. Measurement is performed to milliohm accuracy. Insulation resistance testing at elevated voltage confirms that no moisture or contamination path exists through the cable insulation system. Mechanical testing verifies the cable can withstand the pulling forces experienced during installation without conductor damage or insulation cracking. Fire performance testing is critical for cables installed in buildings, tunnels, and public spaces where fire spread and toxic smoke must be minimized.
The test certificate provides documentary evidence that the cable meets every specification required by international standards and local electrical codes.
Material analysis confirms the insulation polymer has achieved the correct degree of cross-linking, essential for lifetime thermal performance. Cable drums are engineered to protect the cable during transport, storage, and installation. Drum size is matched to minimum cable bending radius requirements.
Cable drums must withstand rough handling during global shipping. Heavy timber and steel construction protects the valuable cable during transport and storage. Coiled cable is the standard packaging format for lower voltage building wire and flexible cable products distributed through electrical wholesalers.
Cable length accuracy is guaranteed. The measurement system counts every revolution of the cable over a calibrated measuring wheel to within 1%. A single loaded cable drum can weigh over 20 tons and contain kilometers of high-voltage cable worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Every drum carries a permanent identification plate, providing complete product traceability from raw material through manufacturing to final test.
Retail cable packaging makes professional-grade electrical wire accessible from the factory and small contractors through hardware and electrical supply stores.
Complete documentation accompanies every cable shipment, providing the installer and end user with certified assurance of product quality and specification compliance.
Heavy cable drums require specialized handling. Each drum must be securely chocked and braced inside the container to prevent movement during ocean transit.
Cable accessories are precision engineered to maintain the same electrical and mechanical performance and the cable itself at every connection point.
The drum yard holds millions of dollars of finished cable inventory, each drum tracked by the warehouse management system for rapid order fulfillment. Final audit provides the last quality verification before the cable leaves the factory, confirming product identity and packaging integrity.
Submarine cable loading can take the entire cable length, must be continuous splicely lacing with
poses. The factory produces thousands of kilometers of cable daily, supplying the electrical infrastructure that powers cities, industry. The test certificate is the cable's passport. Without it, the cable cannot be accepted for installation in any regulated electrical system. The indoor warehouse protects premium cable products from weather exposure, maintaining product quality from production to delivery. Order accuracy is verified by scanning every drum and coil against the customer purchase order. Shipping incorrect cable would cause costly installation delays. Cable storage conditions directly affect product quality. XLPE insulated cables must be protected from UV radiation and extreme temperatures during storage. The drum yard at peak capacity represents the factory's complete production output, ready for distribution to infrastructure projects worldwide. Inventory accuracy ensures customer delivery commitments can be reliably met. Cycle counting continuously verifies stock levels against system records. Just-in-time material delivery from warehouse to production minimizes work-in-progress inventory while ensuring production lines never run short of materials. Every departing truck carries the essential infrastructure materials that power homes, offices, factories, and data centers. The control room monitors every production line simultaneously, tracking output, quality, and equipment status across the entire manufacturing operation. Die quality directly determines wire surface finish and dimensional accuracy. The tool room maintains thousands of precision dies for all wire sizes.
Material testing confirms every batch of incoming copper meets the conductivity specification required by international cable standards.
We hit 98% of the target on line 3.
What about the die wear on the main extruder?
That's stabilized around 0400. It's within tolerance now.
Preventive maintenance keeps the high-speed drawing machines operating at peak performance. Unplanned downtime means missed production targets. Production planning optimizes the factory schedule to meet customer delivery dates while maximizing equipment utilization and minimizing changeover waste. Safety is the factory's first priority. Every machine, every chemical, and every worker is subject to rigorous safety protocols and regular inspection. Look at the voltage drop here.
It's within the parameters, but the thermal resistance is higher than the previous iteration.
Let's run the mechanical stress test again. Customer technical audits verify that the factory's quality systems and product performance meet the demanding requirements of critical infrastructure applications. The entire manufacturing process visible from a single vantage point, dupe, from raw copper to finished cable in continuous flow. Cable manufacturing runs 3 shifts. The massive extrusion lines cannot be stopped and restarted without wasting thousands of meters of cable.
The night shift extrusion operator bears enormous responsibility. A single careless moment could waste kilometers of cable and hours of production.
Stranding machines run continuously. Their massive rotating assemblies require hours to reach operating speed, making shutdown impractical for production efficiency. Die changes are scheduled for the quieter night shift periods, minimizing impact on daytime production output targets. The copper melting furnace is never allowed to cool completely. Restarting from cold would take days and consume enormous energy. Overnight energy management optimizes power consumption during off-peak hours when electricity tariffs are lowest. From a single copper atom to a cable that powers a city, the electric cable factory transforms nature's inside every cable. Layer upon layer of engineered materials work together to safely contain and deliver the invisible force that powers our world. Every light switch, every appliance, every industrial machine is connected by cable manufactured in factories like this one. The cable factory's products stretch across continents, carrying the power that sustains billions of lives. Every day, this factory produces enough cable to circle the Earth. Every meter contributes to the electrical infrastructure that defines modern life. Copper, aluminum, and polymer, simple materials transformed by extraordinary engineering into the essential connective tissue of modern civilization. From atom to infrastructure, the electric cable, invisible yet indispensable, born from metal, the power of connection. Copper, insulation, and human expertise. Behind every socket, every switch,